Now this is our second question, which is write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. So you have to write 4 more rational numbers in each pattern. So our first question is minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15, minus 12 by 20. So here first let's write the first number, which is minus 3 by 5. First you have to observe the pattern, then only you can find the remaining numbers. So first number is minus 3 by 5, and what is the next number in the pattern? It's minus 6 by 10. First number is minus 3 by 5 and our second number is minus 6 by 10. So you have to do something to this minus 3 by 5 in order to get this minus 6 by 10. So what is that? You know that when you multiply both numerator and denominator with 2, you will get the answer as minus 6 by 10. Is it? Similarly, what is the next number in the pattern? It's minus 9 by 15. Minus 9 by 15. Okay, that means our first number was minus 3 by 5. Let's write it. And now the number is minus 9 by 15. That means after doing something to this minus 3 by 5, you will get this minus 9 by 15. In order to get 15, what you have to multiply? With 3. So when you multiply with 3, you will get minus 9 by 15. Now what is the next number in the pattern? It's minus 12 by 20. So here you can see when you do something to this minus 3 by 5, in the answer you will get minus 12 by 20. So now it's very easy. What you have to do? You have to multiply with 4 in both sides, then minus 12 by 20. So now you have to find the next 4 number. Now it's very easy. That is minus 3 by 5. Here 2, here 3, here 4. So what will be the next? 5. So what will be the answer? Minus 15 by 25. Okay. Now what will be the next? Minus 3 by 5 into 6 into 6. So minus 18 by 30. Okay. Now what is next? Minus 3 by 5 into 7. 7. So what is answer? Minus 21 by 35. Now minus 3 by 5 into 8 into 8. So minus 24 by 40. Okay. So you have found out the next 4 numbers, that is minus 15 by 25, minus 18 by 30, minus 21 by 35, minus 24 by 40. So these are the next 4 numbers in the pattern. Okay, so first thing that you have to do is you have to find the relation between the first number and the second number. Then the relation between the first number and the third number. Then the relation between the first number and the fourth number. Okay, and then you have to find the remaining numbers. Now let's do the second question. 4. This is the second question. Minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 12. So let's find the relation between the first two numbers, that is minus 1 by 4. After multiplying this minus 1 by 4 with something, you will get minus 2 by 8. So what is that? 4 into something is 8. What is that? 4 into 2. So here also into 2. So minus 2 by 8. Similarly, what is the next one? Minus 3 by 12. How will you get it? That is minus 1 by 4 into something equal to minus 3 by 12. You know that 4 into 3 is 12. So minus 1 into 3. Okay. So what will be the next? Minus 1 by 4 into 4. Here also into 4. Okay. So what is the answer? Minus 4 by 16. Okay, this is the first number. Now minus 4 by 4 into 5. Into 5. Okay. because here it's 2, here 3. So the next will be into 4 and the next one will be 5. So its answer will be minus 5 by 20. Now what about the third number? Now you have to multiply minus 1 by 4 with 6. Okay. So what will you get? Minus 6 by 24. Now what about the next one? Minus 1 by 4 into 7. So minus 7 by 28. Okay. So you have found the next 4 rational numbers, which is minus 4 by 16, minus 5 by 20, minus 6 by 24 and minus 7 by 28. Okay. Now let's see the third question. So this is our third question, which is minus 1 by 6, 2 by minus 12, 3 by minus 18, 4 by minus 24. Here also let's find the relation. So let's take the first number, that is minus 1 by 6, and after multiplying it with something, you will get the answer as 2 by minus 12. Okay, so you know that 6 into something equal to minus 12. So what is that something? 6 into minus 2 equal to minus 12. Okay, so you have to multiply both sides with minus 2, then you will get 2 by minus 12. Now what about the next? Minus 1 by 6 into something equal to the next one, which is 3 by minus 18. Okay, so 6 into something equal to minus 18. What is that? 6 into 3, minus 3 equal to minus 18. So here also minus 3. Okay, so what about the next? It will be definitely into minus 4. Okay, so into minus 4. So what is the answer? 4 by minus 24. Now you have to find the next 4 numbers. So it's very easy. That is minus 1 by 6 into minus 5 by minus 5. So answer will be, what is minus 1 into minus 5? 5. 5 by minus 30. Okay, this is the first number. Now multiplying with minus 6, you will get 6 by minus 36, or you can write it as minus 6 by 36. This is the second rational number. Now the next one, you have to multiply with minus 7. Minus 7. Minus 7. Okay, so what will be the answer? 7 by minus 42, or minus 7 by 42. Okay, now one more rational number you have to find, that is minus 1 by 6 into minus 8 into minus 8. So answer will be 8 by minus 48, or you can write minus 8 by 48. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Okay, 4 rational number you have found out. Next 4 rational numbers. Okay, now let's see the fourth one. So let's find the relation. That is, first one is minus 2 by 3. When you multiply it with something, you will get the answer as 2 by minus 3. So in order to get this minus 3, you have to multiply with minus 1. Okay, so here also minus 1, then the answer will be 2 by minus 3. Now again let's write the first number itself, and after multiplying it with something, you will get in the answer as 4 by minus 6. So what will be that? 2 into something equal to minus 6. 2 into minus 2. So here also minus 2. So in the answer you will get 4 by minus 6. Okay. What is next? 6 by minus 9. So how will you get that 6 by minus 9? When you multiply with minus 3, you will get 6 by minus 9. Similarly, in order to find the next 4 numbers, you have to multiply minus 2 by 3 with minus 4. Okay, into minus 4. Then the answer will be 8 by minus 12. Now minus 2 by 3 into minus 5 into minus 5. So it will be 10 by minus 15. Now the next one, minus 2 by 3 into minus 6 into minus 6. Answer will be 12 by minus 18. Minus 2 by 3 into minus 7 into minus 7. So 14 by minus 21. Okay, so the next four rational numbers are 8 by minus 12, 10 by minus 15, 12 by minus 18 and 14 by minus 21. Okay, so this is the answer for fourth question. So our third question is, give four rational numbers equivalent to, first one is minus 2 by 7. So you have to find equivalent rational numbers for 2 by 7. Minus 2 by 7 is our first question. So you know that in order to find equivalent rational numbers, you have to divide both numerator and denominator with the same non-zero integer. Suppose I am going to divide both numerator and denominator with 2, okay, which is a non-zero integer. So then you will get the answer as, what is minus 2 into 2? It's minus 4 by what is 7 into 2? 14. So first equivalent rational number is minus 4 by 14. In this way you have to find the rest. Okay, for that secondly I am taking 3, okay, and I am dividing both numerator and denominator with 3. So what will be the answer? Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 and 7 into 3 is 21. So minus 6 by 21. Now what about the third? Suppose I am dividing both with 4. Okay, so what will be the answer? Minus 8 by 28. Okay, now what about the last one? Minus 2 by 7. I can take 5, 6, 7 with any number I can multiply. Okay, suppose I am taking 5. So what will be the answer? Minus 10 by 35. Okay, so I have got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equivalent rational numbers. In this way you can find equivalent rational numbers. Now let's do the second one, which is 5 by minus 3. Okay, find the equivalent rational number just the way we have done the first one. So 5 by minus 3, suppose I am multiplying with 2, then into 2 into 2, so I'll get 10 by minus 6. Now next, suppose I am multiplying with 3, then into 3 into 3. Okay. So what is 5 into 3? It's 15. By what is minus 3 into 3? It's minus 9. Okay, now my 5 by minus 3, suppose I am multiplying with 4, then you will get the answer as 20 by minus 12. Now 5 by minus 3 into 5. Okay, so what will be the answer? 25 by minus 15. So what are the answers? 10 by minus 6, 15 by minus 9, 20 by minus 12 and finally 25 by minus 15. So these are the four equivalent rational numbers. Okay, now the third one. So let's do in the same way, that is 4 by 9 into 2. Okay, so 8 by 18. Now 4 by 9 into 3. What is 4 into 3? 12. 12 by 27. Now 4 by 9 into 4. So what is 4 into 4? 16 by, what is 9 into 4? 36. So 16 by 36. Now 4 by 9 into 5. So what is 4 into 5? 20. 20 by 45. Okay, so these are the four equivalent rational numbers, that is 8 by 18, 12 by 27, 16 by 36 and 20 by 45. Okay, all this will be equal to 4 by 9. Okay, so this is the answer for third question. Now let's see the fourth question. Now fourth question, draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. And our first one is 3 by 4. So whenever you are representing a rational number on a number line, you need to understand something, that is, if the numerator is less than the denominator. For such numbers, it will be always between 0 and 1. Okay, then rational number will be always between 0 and 1. For example, this one, our first question, which is 3 by 4. Okay, here you can see numerator 3 is less than denominator. So it will be in between 0 and 1. Okay. Now, our question is 3 by 4. Okay. That means you have to make how much divisions? 4 divisions you have to make. Okay. 4 divisions. Since it is 3 by 4, you have to make 4 divisions. 3 by 4 means 4 is the denominator. So you have to make 4 divisions. That is 1. When you put 3 markings, then you will get 4 division. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 divisions. Okay. And now among these 4 divisions, third division. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So this will be 3 by 4. Okay. Understand, this will be 3 by 4. That means here 0, here 1, here 2. It will go on like this. But in between 0 and 1, you have to make how much divisions? 4 divisions. That is 1, 2, 3. So 4 divisions. And among this third one, okay, numerator is 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this will be our 3 by 4. Okay. So in this way you have to do. Now what is our next question? It's minus 5 by 8. Let's do that. Here, since it's negative, rational number is negative here. So it will be, instead of lying between 0 and 1, it will be between 0 and minus 1. Okay. If it's a positive rational number and if the denominator or the numerator is less than denominator, then it will be between 0 and 1. But if it's a negative rational number and the numerator is less than denominator, then it will be between 0 and minus 1. Okay. Now our question is minus 5 by 8. That means you have to make how much divisions? You have to make 8 divisions between 0 and 1. 8 division means you have to mark 7 points. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equal distances you have to mark. Then only you will get 8 divisions. And among this 8 division, our question is minus 5 by 8. Since it is negative, we are marking it between 0 and minus 1. Now we have marked 8 divisions. Among this fifth one means 1, 2, 3. From 0 you have to mark always. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth one. So this will be minus 5 by 8. Okay, minus 5 by 8. It's very easy. Okay. So in this way you can mark. Now the third one is minus 7 by 4. Third one is minus 7 by 4. But here you can see that the numerator is greater than the denominator. In such cases, you have to perform the division. That is 7 divided by 4. What is 7 divided by 4? You will get 1, 4. You will get the remainder as 3. That means when you, after performing the division, you got the quotient as 1. Okay, that means if you are getting the quotient as 1 means in the number line, it will be between 1 and 2. Okay, it will be between 1 and 2. But here our question is minus 7 by 4. That means what? It will be between minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, it will be between minus 1 and minus 2. Since it is negative, it will be between minus 1 and minus 2. Okay. Why 1? Because here in the quotient we got 1. So it will be between minus 1 and minus 2. Now you have to mark how much divisions? You have to mark 4 divisions. Okay, you have to mark 4 division because it's minus 7 by 4 means what? 4 divisions you have to mark. So 4 division means 3 points, that is 1, 2, 3. So you got 4 divisions, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and in this 4 division you have to mark the third one. Okay, in the remainder you got 3 here, so you have to mark the third one, that is 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, so here you will get the answer as minus 7 by 4. Here will be minus 7 by 4. That is, denominator is greater than the numerator is greater than the denominator without considering the negative sign I am saying. Okay, numerator greater than the denominator. For such cases you have to perform the division and you will get the quotient. Okay, since here it's negative, so it will be between minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, after minus 1 the next number is minus 2, that's why we are writing minus 2. Okay, and now how many divisions you have to take? You have to take 4 divisions, and among this 4 division you have to mark the third one. Okay, because remainder you are getting 3. So this is the answer for this question. The fourth one is 7 by 8. So here also you can see numerator is less than denominator, that means it will be between 0 and 1 since it's positive. So here you have to mark how much divisions? 8 divisions. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 divisions you got. Okay, everything should be of equal distance. Okay. Now among this 8 division you have to mark the 7th one. Okay, from 0 you have to mark the 7th one, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be 7 by 8. Okay, all the markings should be of equal distance. Okay, here it's not equal distance, but you have to mark it equal. Okay, and among the 8th divisions you have to mark the 7th one. Okay, that will be 7 by 8. Okay, so this is the answer for this question.